So an archer fires an arrow and it passes through two hoops. Okay, and the hoops are at the same height. Let me draw. So this is the first hoop and this is the second one, and both are at the same height h, and it says that it takes 1 second to pass through the first hoop and then another 1 second to pass through the second hoop. Now the question is, what is the height of these hoops from the ground? So this question is requires a bit of observation with respect to projectile motion. Okay, now by symmetry we know that since the height of these hoops are same, so the time taken from the point of launch to the first hoop will be same as the time taken from the second hoop to the ground, because of symmetry. The shape is symmetrical and the motion is also symmetrical. So if this is 1 second, this second part is also 1 second, so third part is again 1 second. So the total time of flight is 3 seconds. Okay, now the total time of flight for a projectile is given by 2 u sine theta by g, and this u sine theta is nothing but the vertical velocity of a projectile. For a projectile there is two velocities, one is the vertical velocity, other is the horizontal velocity. So this is nothing but vy. Okay, so we have 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 is equal to 2 vy upon 10, or vy is equal to 15 meter per second, right? So if the vertical velocity is 15 meter per second, now we have to find this height h. So this height h can be calculated using the equation. For any general point h, it is given by vyt minus half gt square, where t is the time till this particular point, okay, with height h. So this is 15 into 1, because 1 second is the time taken to reach this hoop, minus half into 10 into 1 squared, and this is 15 minus 5. The answer is 10 meters. So the height of the hoop is 10.